Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Gary Christian, serving the dealership since 1981. Again, we're today to be blessed with a Northwood product. Very hard to get. It's a wonderful company and they make a top product. Let's pop inside. We'll go inside some of the features and then we'll come back out. You notice a nice wide open floor plan. Here in the back, this is a rear bath model. It's got a nice spacious shower and a monster closet here in the back. It's got plenty of hanging space, storage up on top. Of course, shoes can go down below. It's got a little net in the back to hold all your personal items. They put a nice vanity in all theirs. A very spacious, large sink. And then your slider here is a flexor, which makes it easy to utilize. Norcold refrigerator. It's the kind I use in my RV. Nice big double door, plenty of storage. It's got a deep well in here. If you ever had any liquids melt, they're not going to flow over the top because of its depth inside. It's got an automatic mode, which if you have it on electricity and it's turned off, it'll automatically light. Solid surface countertops. Look at that space. A lot of room. You can see there's two outlets, easy available. Recessed sinks. Single lever, single faucet here. It's got little slits back in here. Those are to put your knives. That way you don't have to worry about where your knives go in your drawers, or you already have a spot. Nice backsplash. 3 burners. Nice size oven. And with all Northwood products, there's all solid wood, high grade plywood, full extension on all your drawers. Place here for your little scrubbers to go into. Good storage down below. Let's pick some more drawers. Then you've got great cabinet space. Let the sun come in. Ambient light's so great to have. We've got a nice dinette over here. We have it in the down position to show it makes into a large bed for a good sized adult as well as a couple kids. And then we've got storage up on top if you wanted to put cups or games or something like that. There's plenty of space for them. Back over here across from the refrigerator, we've got great pantry storage in here. And again, you can take the shelves out, use it for hanging space or a combination. You got a nice jackknife couch, makes down into a nice sleeping area. We do have storage underneath here, which is accessible from the outside. Got your pull down shades, entertainment center. The little flashing display is the charger that's mounted on top of the air conditioner. So it's already got some solar panel. Wi-Fi extender, so if you're in a park, you're going to have the advantage on a lot to be able to access a strong signal. This right here is a laundry chute. And if you were standing where I am, you'd see the plastic basket down below where you can put your clothes in to make it easy when you're going to do the laundry. They all go down the chute. Hanging space and then great upper storage. Good storage up on top, electrical outlets, nice reading lights. Another closet on that side. And then comes with Arctic Fox chairs and entry mat. There's full pass-through storage, which will go outside to see. And then there's a TV location over on the driver's side with all full hookups. So if you wanted to put a TV in there, it's already ready to go. And if you bring one in with a mount, I'll put it on for you. That way we know it's done right and you don't need to be stressed about putting it on. As you come in your entry, of course the TV's right here, but you have all your controls for the slide out, awning, all your switches. It's got 110 and propane water heater, which you can work right here. We'll slip outside and we'll take a spin around the outside. Electric awning. This is your front storage. This is a magnet that holds it up. This is a 1-inch insulated door. It's got a bulb seal all the way around. Battery disconnect switch is right here. And of course you see the laundry hamper basket I was talking about inside. Full fiberglass cap. And the cap goes all the way around the sidewall, which is going to give your unit much more stability by having this kind of construction, which is much more expensive. LED lights across the front, so if you're out here working on your propane or your hitch work, you've got additional lights. Power tongue jack, also with an LED light. 2 7-gallon propane tanks, which we fill and supply you with 2 RV batteries to operate your unit. I mentioned solar panel. This is the outlet. If you wanted another solar panel, you can set out here and just plug into it, and it'll give your batteries a boost in addition to the one up on top. Other entrance for your front storage. This is underneath the couch, and then underneath your dinette you have 2 access doors as well. You have a little light right here, which is down here by your dump station. Satellite ready, cable, water hookup, a little storage area. 4-season unit. This has a completely enclosed underbelly. Termination valves are up inside, so as long as you have 12 volts to run your fan and propane, you can be out in the worst weather, and this will be nice and nothing will freeze up. The frame is made right at the factory. It's Northwest made, and it's fit to fit the floor plan. They don't just get a standard frame from Lippert. They build their own according to the floor plan, which is a distinct advantage. Of course, the diamond plate rear bumpers where you put your sewer hose, outdoor shower, black water flush, porcelain lined hot water heater, and you have access to your hot water for a bypass, storage from the inside, so you can put some from outside and some from inside to be able to utilize the space completely. I know you must have a question. Just call me. I went through the unit. I'd be glad to help you. You can reach me direct at 541-554-9581. I appreciate your time, and I look forward to talking with you.